Hi, I'm Stephanie.
I am Sophie.
Today we are going to ride our bicycles.
Come, join us.
Do you want to join us?